Need to change the battery in your Volkswagen Tiguan key fob? It's a simple DIY task that can save you money. This video covers Tiguan models from 2007 to 2025. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Ensure your vehicle is turned off. Locate the small notch or slot on the fob's edge. If your fob has a metal key, flip it out first. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to crack the case. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up, positive side. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the case is fully closed. If your Tiguan key fob isn't working after a battery change, ensure the battery voltage is approximately 3 volts using a multimeter. Improper battery installation can cause signal loss. Always use a CR2032 battery and avoid mismatched voltages. Be cautious when prying the case open. A user case study showed replacing the CR2032 in a 2023 Tiguan fob restored function, saving $50 to $100 in dealership costs. However, be cautious when prying the case open. Some VW service centers report damaged fobs from DIY attempts. For hybrid models, consider professional service to avoid warranty issues. Future trends point to battery-free or low-maintenance fobs with Bluetooth and NFC tech, and possibly inductive charging or solar-powered options, reducing e-waste.